In this video, I will guide you on how to fill out two important forms of a New Zealand dependent visa. When you lodge New Zealand dependent visa, these forms want to be filled by the dependent applicant. I will cover form 1146, which is the form for partners supporting partnership-based temporary entry application, and form 1241. You can download these forms from the official Immigration New Zealand website. Let's get into our guide. When you open form 1146, you will see it laid out like this. Before you start filling it out, make sure to read the instructions and guidelines provided. In section A, you need to fill the details of the principal applicant, which refers to the dependent person, not the main applicant. Under section B, you need to fill the details of main applicant. It means if you applied student visa, here you need to enter your details. If your spouse applied for student visa, here you need to fill his details. Carefully read the details and fill it out. Next, inside the designated fields, fill in B8, B9, leave B10 as a blank, then place a tick mark for B12, B13, B14 as well. If the sections C and D are not relevant to you, you can keep those empty. Finally, place your electronic signature under the section E. If you are not aware on how to place an electronic signature, I have done a video on electronic signature. Please watch it. Section F and G must be filled by your lawyer if you hire a third party. Next, we will move on to filling out the Partner and Child Temporary Visa Declaration Form, Form 1241. You can download this form from the official Immigration New Zealand website. Let's start by filling in the main dependent details. On the very first page, you can see the instructions. Please read their guide first and start filling. If you hire a lawyer, very first blanks should be filled by them. Then under the signature of the principal applicant, the main dependent signature must be placed. Then fill the date in the designated box. Then you can move to the section B, which is just below the section A. Here, same as above, place your signature and enter the date. If you apply for visitor visa for your kids, place the guardian signature under the signature of parent or guardian if the principal applicant is under 18 years of age. For your kids visa, you need to prepare a fresh 1241 form. We hope this guide has provided you with all the necessary information to successfully prepare your application. Remember, having all your documents in order can make a significant difference in the approval process. So double check everything before submitting your application.